How to link Instagram to TikTok. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch your TikTok application. Okay. And then once you're here, what you're going to do is to simply go to your profile. Okay, tap profile here. And then what you're going to do here is to simply go to edit profile. Now scroll down here till you see this social. Under social, we have Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. All you have to do is to click Instagram. And then here, you just have to simply connect your Instagram. But in some cases, you encounter this one here. This one is error. So please wait a few minutes before you try again. Now, if you can't really sign into this or if this one is an error, you can try another method, and that is to simply go back to your profile. Okay, tap these three lines in the top right corner and then click Share Profile. Go to Settings and Privacy and then click Share Profile. Now, what you're going to do here is to copy link, and then you can now exit your TikTok application. This time, you have to open your Instagram. And then once you launch your Instagram here, you can go to your profile. And then after that, go to your edit profile here, tap this one, and then scroll down till you see this add link. You have to tap this add link here and then kindly paste your TikTok profile or URL. Okay, so tap this one again, paste URL here, and then title, you can say my TikTok account, and then tap check. As easy as that. So that's how you link Instagram to your TikTok or your TikTok to your Instagram. I do really hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.